So what I'd like to talk to you today is about why beat the banks make a difference when you're reclaiming PPI. Well, let's just say that we do things completely differently. So what do we do differently? Well, first of all my claims experts are former bank lending managers, so they have a fantastic insight into how you may have been sold a product and how best then to claim. But the other thing is how we recover information from lenders. So if you look at approximately 99% of claims companies, how do they get your information back? Well, by a very cheap method called a mini SAR, or mini subject access request. This is skeletal account information. It'll give you start dates, end dates, and maybe if you've paid PPI. I have to say, in our experience as well, when banks provide this information, it's frequently wrong. We don't go down that route to beat the banks. With us, it's all about recovering your full banking records, and in some cases, back to the very early 90s, or even before that. With this information, we can make sure that claims submitted to your lender that you want to complain about are absolutely 100% accurate. But it's not just that. These files are there for us to forensically check for claims against other lenders. It's not abnormal for us, for example, to receive an old Lloyds TSB file, or a Halifax file, or a Bank of Scotland file, or even a Santander file, and be able to identify other claims. Now, why is this? Well, it's simply because of the amount of information we can glean from these files. So in many cases, bank statements back as far as 1995. Now that allows us to look at these potential claims, speak to our customers to find out whether they believe that they've paid PPI, and if they have, we then recover the file from that lender and submit claims. It's not unusual for us to find 10, 12, 15 more claims in one lender's record. So a very, very forensic approach that means that we're miles apart from your standard PPI company. So if you'd like to know more about how this forensic approach can help you get some more money back, our number is 01382 200 474 or 0800 193 1234.